people think this is just an ancient tomb, but no one fully knows how it was built. This isn't just a pyramid. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built over 4,500 years ago, it was the tallest man-made structure on Earth for nearly 3,800 years. At first glance, it looks solid. Massive stone blocks, perfect symmetry, and endless desert. But the numbers don't make sense. Here's a fact most people never realize. It contains around 2.3 million stone blocks, some weighing several tons each. Inside, narrow passageways, hidden chambers, and unfinished corridors still puzzle researchers today. No blueprints, no detailed construction records, and no clear explanation of how ancient tools achieved this scale. It wasn't just built big, it was built with precision modern engineers still study. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza, where ancient knowledge challenges modern logic. Now tell me, was this simply human engineering, or something far more advanced than we understand?